Hello everybody, welcome to Samim Group. Today we're going to talk about CHO changeover cards. This is the first episode. Let's take a look at it. The CHO-3360 is an automatic manual changeover module compatible with SRM frames. It accepts 3G, HD, SD and SDI inputs and provides two independent outputs. The clean and quiet switching can be triggered manually through GPIs or automatically based on the defined rules and priorities. In the top menu, enter the Settings section. In the General section, we can change the name of the device. Yes, in the Changed Password section, we can change the device password from this section. In the Upgrade section, we can upload the new SUP file and upgrade the device. Guys, to activate the password in the Password Protection section, we can enter the password there and the password will be activated after pressing Activate. The default password is 123456. Now the password is activated. And to deactivate it, enter the password again and click on the deactivate. Okay. Factory reset is also available from here, which restores the card to its factory settings. Soft reset option, which is equivalent to turning the card off and on. The locate option. If we have several CHO cards on the device, will show us the location of the desired card by flashing its LED. In the download option, which includes a section called Release Note, it gives us the specifications of the card and its versions. Thanks for watching, guys. This was CHO tutorial. For more information, please check out our website at www.samimgroup.com.